Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to Book Island. If you are new here, well, I am your bookish pal Juhi, and here I post book related contents. Today I am here with a fantastic book. For your convenience, I am providing the blurb of the book in the description section of this video so that you guys just read that and follow through this video. So, without any further ado, let me begin with the book. I read Beyond Boundaries late at night under the soft amber glow of my study lamp, somewhere between the tickling of the clock and the silence outside my window. Time simply disappeared. George Carter's haunting novel doesn't just invite you in, it pulls you like a half remembered dream. It's a tale where love doesn't merely endure, it evolves, it transforms, and even dares to defy the laws of reality. At the heart of the story is Milo, a man whose imaginary friend Henry once shielded him from the bruises of a difficult childhood. But Carter's brilliance lies in the blurring the line between the imaginary and the real, between the memory and the manifestation. When Henry returns in Milo's adulthood, it isn't just supernatural, it's profound, unsettling, and deeply moving. The prose carries a quiet urgency, okay? Every twist, every turn is not for thrill alone. It emerges from grief, from love, from scars that never truly healed ever. Carter writes sorrow with tenderness, layering emotions into each chapter like brushstroke on a misted glass. Yes, the mystery grips you. It's never louder than the aching beauty of Milo's journey or Henry's strange resurrection. And as you read, questions echo: is Henry a ghost, a guardian, or is he simply the last refuge of a heart that has endured too much? Carter doesn't hand us easy answers. Instead, he leaves us for wonder, for sorrow, and most of all, for hope. Beyond Boundaries is more than a thriller, it's a requiem for lost innocence. It's a hymn to love's fears, irrational power. And when you turn the final page, you don't close the book with certainty, you close it with a hush in your chest, a kind of fragile stillness. You are left believing maybe, just maybe, love has the strength to rewrite reality itself. So, this is Beyond Boundaries by George Carter for me. I absolutely love this book. After reading so many books this month, I feel more of this kind of books should be written. This kind of book actually acknowledges your trauma. I read this book few weeks ago, but still I can't stop thinking about this book. This book is just amazing and I absolutely love it. Though George Carter is a new author, but I never felt it while reading his book. It never felt like a debut book to me. It's very much mature and I just loved it. Okay, you know from my expression that I loved it. So here we end today. That's all for today. See you in my next video. Bye. আবার দেখা হবে।